Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your GPU temperature on your Windows PC. And I'm using a program called MSI Afterburner. You might have this on your computer already for whatever reason, but you can see the temperature right here, 38 Celsius. And another thing you can do is go on over to settings and go on over to monitoring. Go to your CPU temp and just go to show and tray. Do the same thing for your GPU temp. Now, when you go to your system tray down here at the bottom, you'll see your temperatures listed. So the left one is GPU, the right one is CPU. So you'll have both of those listed in there, and you can check it at any point in time. And it works great. There's other things on here too. You can look through GPU temperature if you have a bunch of different cores or something like that. But we can go back to this, and one of the cool things about this is you can adjust your fan at different temperatures. So if you want your fan to kick in, or it's too loud, you can adjust it with this. And that's your CPU. I mean your GPU fan. So let's go ahead and get the software. Pretty basic here. Let me just open up and then drag one of these over here. So this is just going to be MSI Afterburner. MSI Afterburner. Go to the first link. Here it is, MSI Afterburner. Download it. Very easy to install. User friendly. And then you should be good to go. You can look at it. Here's my CPU. So I'm at like 39 Celsius. What is that? I don't know. Maybe like 97, 98 in Fahrenheit. So you might have to do some conversions. I think you can switch this over to Fahrenheit too if you just click it right here. So, well, what did I say? 97. So I was off. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.